How to log in to Canva using Facebook account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Canva using your Facebook account. To do so, first of all, launch Open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. And once in the browser, here type in canva.com in the search bar. Now press on enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to locate the login button. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Here you'll be able to locate the option Continue with Facebook. Simply click on this option. Now you'll be taken to the login page of Facebook. Here, if you are not already logged into your Facebook account, you will be prompted to enter your Facebook credentials such as your email, username or password. And if you are logged into your account, here you will need to authorize Canva to access your account. Simply click on this Continue As button at the bottom and then wait for a few seconds. And once it is authorized, you will be redirected to your Canva dashboard now. And now once you reach your Canva page, you can start using Canva and its features. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Canva using your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.